Hi, everybody. Crypto Chris is back, and I'm here with a brief tutorial explaining how to get started trading on the yobit.net trading platform. And I'm going to tell you how to start trading in under 10 minutes. We'll be using two different websites for this tutorial, but first I want to explain why I chose yobit.net. Recently, I have selected Binance to trade on, but as of recently, they started not allowing new members to join Binance. They're upgrading their servers at the moment, and it has actually ran very slow for me. And using yobit.net, it has actually been a very good alternative for me. And it's a very quick trading platform, and the interface is very easy to use. So I just want to go into that real briefly about why I chose yobit.net. But let's digress. So we're using two websites here, Coinbase and yobit.net. If you're not a member of any of these sites, I did provide the links in the description of this video to join either of these sites. A lot of people are already members of Coinbase and they've used it to trade with other platforms out there. If you're already a member of Coinbase, congratulations, because it does take a while to get verified on Coinbase at this moment in time due to their huge backlog. But just to give you a general overview, what we're going to be using these two websites for, we're going to be using Coinbase to actually make the purchase and then initiate the transfer. We're going to use yobit.net to receive the transfer, and then we'll start trading on the yobit.net network. And it's very simple. It might seem like a very complicated process, but it really isn't. And as we go through the steps, you'll see that it's very simple and you'll get started trading very quickly. So first things first, I need you to log into your Coinbase account using your new membership ID or your existing membership ID. And we are going to purchase some coins to get started trading. So hover over to the buy and sell tab. And you're going to see under the buy tab, you're going to have 4 different coins to choose from. What you're going to do is click on Litecoin. And there is a reason for that. The reason being is that Litecoin, out of all those coins, is the quickest to transfer between the two platforms. I actually did a transfer today, and it took about 30 minutes to transfer Litecoin to yobit.net, and that's actually really quick compared to the average. So we're going to choose Litecoin for this tutorial. Now, you have a few methods to pay for the Litecoins. You have your bank transfer, you have your debit or credit card. I'm going to talk about this for a minute because there's a few pros and cons to each method. If you use your bank transfer, you can actually buy a huge amount of coins, but it takes about 5 to 7 business days for the coins to actually be purchased and displayed in your wallet. If you use a credit or debit card, your limit when you first start out is around $500. I pushed mine up to about $750. But the good thing about using your credit or debit card is the coins are purchased immediately and they're showing in your wallet instantaneously. And that's a huge plus, especially when the altcoins are trading at prices that change on a minute basis. Now, for this tutorial, I'm not actually going to purchase Litecoins, but let's just hypothetically say that I was going to purchase the max amount that I can purchase for this week, which is 274. I actually traded earlier today, and so I have 274 left. So I'm going to buy the max amount of Litecoins that I can with my remaining balance. And as you can see to the right, Coinbase does take a cut of the fee, and then, but it does show you that it instantly appears in your LTC wallet. LTC is your Litecoin wallet, and Litecoin is what we're purchasing here. So let's just pretend I click on this and purchase the LTC. Click. Okay, what's going to happen next is instantly, if you use your debit or credit card, instantly these coins will appear in your LTC wallet. So you click on accounts in the menu at the top and scroll down to your LTC wallet. What's going to appear right here is a balance. I didn't buy anything, so you see a 0 balance. But if I did buy something, a balance would appear here. So let's just stop right here because at this point in time, we're going to need to go back to yobit.net and log into that website. And we are going to retrieve an address that's for LTC. And this address, we're going to send these LTCs that are in Coinbase over to yobit.net using that address. Okay, so you've logged into yobit.net. Let me just explain. Don't be intimidated by the interface when you first log in. You see a chat on the right. You see the balances, the market, the trading in the middle with the graphs, trade history right there. All you need to do is just go to your wallet when you log in. Once you get into the wallet, you're going to locate LTC because you purchased LTC or Litecoins through Coinbase. And what we're getting here is an address to deposit those coins to. So as you can see, you have some balances here. There's LTC right there. So what you're going to need to do is click on the plus on, which it looks like my computer's going to take a few seconds here to load. Let's just give it a few seconds. Bear with me. Okay, LTC's right here. So there's a pop-up. All you need to do now is just copy that address, copy, Control C. Okay. Now go back over to your Coinbase wallet. And like I said, I don't have any LTC in my account right here, but this button, the send button, will be active if you do have a balance. And you're going to click on send. And there will be a pop-up that appears in the middle. Just paste that address in that pop-up and then hit send or transfer. And then it will send your Litecoins from this wallet over to yobit.net, or at least start the process. You will also receive a confirmation email to approve of this process. And then it will take about 30 minutes for the LTC to actually show up in your wallet. But if you go down here to the left, it will actually show the status of the LTC arriving into your wallet right here. So you will see it and you can monitor it. So, it'll give you peace of mind that your LTC is actually on its way over to your wallet. Now, once it does show up there, it will appear in your LTC wallet right here, and it will show a balance. When the balance appears, great. Now you've actually got money or LTC to trade with on yobit.net. Now, let me just show you how to initiate a simple trade. Obviously, I have zero balance, so it's not going to work like it will on your end, but I can just show you hypothetically how it would work. So let's just say we wanted to trade BTC for LTC. So let's go here, type in LTC in the market. See, I'm under the BTC tab right here. So I found it right here. Boom. Click on that. And now what's going to happen is going to open up the trade screen. So the trade screen is where you're actually going to obviously initiate the trades. Whatever altcoin you consider trading with, you just use this little market search right here under the different markets to trade with. And let's just say I wanted to sell, 500 LTC. That's a lot, but let's just say I want to do that. And it's going to show you what the price is and then the total BTC. And then all you have to do is just click sell. Once that happens, you sold your LTC. And then if you go back to your wallet, it will show you right here under BTC a new balance based on what you purchased. And really, it's that simple to start trading. Like I said, you can go into the different markets and choose your altcoin that you want to trade with. It's a really good, easy to use interface. It's really quick compared to Binance, and I highly recommend it. And I hope you enjoyed this brief tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know. I will provide my Twitter handle in the description for this video as well. And I wish you the best success and